Guys, today we like to give some review of this product. This is something if you are going to cook bread or any cookies or something related to flour that need a yeast, you can use this one. This sachet is enough for 500 grams of flour, so it's also cheap, so you don't need to take more money. And this is distributed by Migros. You can see in the back some explanations about this product in German and also in French. And this is only 7 grams, but can be used for up to 500 grams of flour. Hi guys, this is so will make your bread become big, something like what yeast used to use. And you can see the expiration date, so make sure you use this before the expiration date. Hey guys, I hope this quick review will be useful for you. This is the name: Have a getrocknet Levoure sachet or Levite sachet from Patissier. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and keep your comment so you can send me any questions. Okay, see you guys. Have a nice day.